Alrighty, I got a commercial grade zero turn John Deere here. John Deere 687 or F687. This is a front mower. This front deck is PTO driven, not belt driven. So everything on it's heavy duty. This deck flips up for easy maintenance. You can see that in the pictures. So you can change, sharpen blades, work on the spindles, anything you might need to do. Obviously, this thing is an older unit. So it's got, some wear and tear, seats cracked, damage here and there, but it doesn't have a lot of hours on it, only 1,000, which is definitely low for a mower like this. It's got a 60-inch 7-iron deck. That means it's their top heavy-duty 7-gauge deck. This whole back cover flips up for easy access. It's got a Kohler Command, 20 horsepower. Then you've got your reservoir here for your fluids, really big gas tank there. And then you've got a separate drive-in pump system. So this is a full-blown commercial unit. Show you how she operates. You got your deck adjustments here. You push this in, it releases the pressure on that pin. Grab it, and you just adjust it to whatever slot you need to. Put the e-brake on here and start this baby up. Runs real smooth. I don't remember where the exhaust is coming from. I'm trying to show it to you. There's no smoke. I think it's this side. No smoke or anything. I'll idle it down for you. Idle's real smooth. Run it back up. Okay, I've got your deck down already. E-brakes right here on the side. Left, right, forward, reverse. Got a strip right here that I just mowed. You can see it's nice and clean, but I'll mow another one. Blades. Cut, real smooth, real level. Cut's great. Idle it back down for you. Good mower here.